Hello students, myself Anand Saini and your chemistry tutor. Let's start to learn chemistry. Okay students, exactly your chapter is completed. Now we are doing an activity. Look at here. Your new activity is prove that the properties of compound is differ than its constituent elemental properties. What does the exactly mean of the object of this activity? Exactly means क्या है? क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, क्या करना चाह रहे हैं आप इस एक्टिविटी में, क्या करेंगे? आपको डायग्राम दिखाई तो पड़ रहा है ना? ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट। देखिए आपसे क्या बोल रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि बेटा हम लोगों को ये प्रूव करना है कि प्रूव दैट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कंपाउंड, कंपाउंड की जो प्रॉपर्टी होगी वो प्रॉपर्टी डिफर होगी उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी से। सच एज यू हैव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ वाटर। आप जानते हो वाटर इट मीन H2O। H2O क्या है? कंपाउंड। ओके, H2O is a compound and it is obtained by two elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So here comes you have to prove the property of water is exactly different than property of hydrogen and property of oxygen. So let's start. It is proved with an activity, with an example, and here comes. Let's start. देखते हैं क्या हो जा रहा है. Okay, so your activity is the separation of shavings and sulfur. What does the shaving mean? What is the shaving? Actually, the shaving is the iron nails. हिंदी में आप उसे बोलेंगे शेविंग को लोहे की छीलन। आयरन होता है ना, आयरन नेल्स मीन आयरन का बहुत छोटा छोटा पार्टिकल आपने लेना होगा, तो एग्जैक्टली दैट इज कॉल्ड आयरन नेल्स, कॉल्ड आपका शेविंग्स। ओके, सो लेना क्या है आपको? यू हैव petri dish. Here comes, this is porcelain or china dish, also known as porcelain dish. Okay, so firstly we take a petri dish in which the mixture of sand, sulfur and shaving is present. We take the mixture of sulfur, sand and shaving in a petri dish, and with the help of a magnet, when the magnet is contact with this petri dish, then after the shavings are separated out with this mixture and the sulfur and sand as it is remain into petri dish. Got it? This is exactly too much similar and easy point कि आपसे कह रहे हैं कि आपने एक petri dish लेना है, उसमें आपने मिक्सचर लेना बेटा किसका? सल्फर, सैंड एंड शेविंग। ओके, फिर आपने एक आयरन का, सॉरी आयरन बोल रहा हूँ, एक मैग्नेट आपको लेकर के आना है कांटेक्ट में पेट्री डिश के। तो जैसे ही आप लाएंगे तो क्या होगा, जितना भी आपका शेविंग्स होगा वो सब अलग हो जाएगा और आपका सैंड इसी में एज इट इज रह जाएगा, है ना? एग्जैक्टली। लेकिन जब आप दूसरे केस की बात करते हैं, ओके, इन अनदर केस इन अ चाइना डिश we take a mixture of, exactly mixture, we take the mixture of sand, sulfur and shaving into a china dish. Exactly, china dish. On heating the mixture, on heating this mixture, exactly the color will change. Okay, तो कब तक आपको हीट करना है? until color is changed. Exactly, the mixture is illuminate. Okay, exactly, until the mixture is illuminate, you have to heat this mixture with the help of this china dish. Got it? So आप देखोगे ना फिर क्या हो रहा है यहाँ से। So exactly जब भी आपको आप देखेंगे कि इसका मिक्सचर चेंज हो जा रहा है ना बेटा, कलर चेंज हो जा रहा है, तो that mean the property of this compound is exactly changed. Why the color is changed? Your motto, your result is this. Why the color is changed? Exactly the reason behind that, the color is changed due to the formation of FeS. Exactly, the color is changed in color due to formation of This is the point exactly. Got it? So this is your activity. In this activity we are discussing about the property of the particular compound is different to its constituent element. Okay, so the mixture is sand, sulfur and shavings. Your first activity, in first case sulfur and savings are separated out with the help of magnet, that is the physical method. But in another case, when the mixture is heated, on that case the color is totally changed comparatively first case. Compared to first case, the color totally changed. Why? Because of a new compound is obtained. Fe and sulfur are react with each other, then a compound is formed that is called FeS ferrous sulfide. Got it? This is the exactly point. So your result is, okay, look at here the working. Working. Look at here the working group. Firstly, in a petri dish, take mixture of sand, sulfur and shavings. It is easily separated out with the help of magnet, but in another case this mixture converted into colored compound on heating until illuminate. Until the illuminate. Okay, so exactly this is the point. So your result is the result is the property are compounds differ to variability. Okay, so the property of this compound is differ to its constituent elements. So exactly this is the point. Note it down. But your work as HW, you have to try another activity. Okay, we have to try. As HW, your work is to distinguish to distinguish homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay students, this is the activity you have to try. Must have, exactly must have. You have to try this activity, the sequence between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, got it? So thank you.